Storing your vehicle for an extended period can be a smart way to preserve its value, whether you're deploying overseas, taking a long vacation, or simply not using it for months. However, many forget essential steps that can lead to costly repairs or damage when you finally retrieve your car. Here's an ultimate guide to the 10 things people often overlook before long-term car storage and how to do them right. 1. Clean the car thoroughly, inside and out. Why? Dirt, grime, and debris can cause paint damage and interior deterioration over time. What to do? Wash and wax the exterior to protect the paint. Clean the interior, including carpets, seats, and dashboard. Remove trash, perishable items, and any food to prevent mold and pests. Okay, so change the oil and fluids. Old oil, contains contaminants that can actually corrode engine parts. What you want to do is change the engine oil and replace the oil filter. Also, be sure to top off other fluids like transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and windshield washer fluid. And if your car will be stored for several months, it's a good idea to consider adding a fuel stabilizer. Next up, fill the gas tank. The reason is a full tank prevents moisture buildup inside the fuel tank, which helps reduce the risk of rust. So, here's what you should do. Fill the tank completely, and it's a good idea to add a fuel stabilizer to prevent the fuel from degrading and causing issues when you start things up again. Next up, maintain the battery. Batteries can drain or degrade if left unattended, and that's something you'll definitely want to avoid. What you should do is disconnect the negative terminal or even remove the battery entirely. Or, if you prefer, you can connect the battery to a trickle charger or battery maintainer to keep it charged. Either option works, just pick what fits best for you. Step 5. Inflate tires to proper pressure. So here's why this matters. Underinflated tires can develop flat spots, and honestly, they tend to degrade a lot faster. What you should do is inflate your tires to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. And if you're planning to store your vehicle for several months, it's a good idea to consider placing it on jack stands to help prevent flat spots. Step 6. Protect the car with a cover. The reason for this is that dust, dirt, and those harsh UV rays can all damage your paint and interior over time. So, what you want to do here is use a high-quality, breathable car cover that's suitable for long-term storage. And if you can, store the vehicle in a climate-controlled garage. 7. Seal windows and doors. The reason for this is that moisture ingress can lead to mold, rust, and, interior damage. What you should do is close all windows and doors tightly, and if necessary, use weather stripping or foam to seal any gaps. Alright, let's talk about checking and addressing pest prevention. Rodents and insects just love stored vehicles, and honestly, they can cause a lot of trouble, like damaging wiring and upholstery. So, what should you do? First, make sure you clean under the hood and inside the vehicle. Then, place rodent repellents or mothballs in strategic spots. And, of course, double check that there's no food or organic material left inside. Next up, plan for ventilation and air circulation. Stale air, can lead to mold and some pretty unpleasant odors. So, if you're storing your car indoors, make sure there's proper ventilation. You can slightly open windows or vents if it's safe, or maybe run a dehumidifier in the storage area. Number 10. Document and prepare for retrieval. Knowing the condition of your car before storage really helps you identify any issues later on. So, here's what you should do. Take photos of your vehicle's condition before you store it. Be sure to keep records of any maintenance you performed prior to storage. And, it really helps to prepare a checklist for inspection when you take the car out again so you can catch any problems early. Oh, and here are a couple of bonus tips. For insurance, make sure to verify your coverage for stored vehicles. And when it comes to security, it's a smart move to use a lock or an alarm system to help deter theft. If you can, try to start the engine or drive the car every so often. This keeps all the components lubricated and helps prevent issues from sitting too long. Proper preparation is really key to making sure your vehicle stays in top condition during long-term storage. By following these 10 overlooked steps, you'll protect your investment and be ready to hit the road again with minimal fuss and cost. Remember, a little proactive care definitely goes a long way.